Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 16th to 20th February 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see in GBP USD 0.22% positive move, 1.36467 was the closing of Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So yeah, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a big upper wick and a small lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 9091 level, which is indicating as a negative momentum from here because it is around overbought area. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, I always go for a one-on-one session for trading. So if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can directly buy my one-on-one session from the link given in the description. So you do consider checking that out if you want to learn trading. Currently, now talk about the closing first. So here, if I talk about the important support and resistance zone, then you can see important support and resistance zones are already marked during a previous week analysis. So we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 1.36467 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.36352 and direct resistance is 1.36511. After direct support, there is a support of 1.36129 and then 1.35862. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.36669 and then 1.36848. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop form links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you want to get any discounts, I have also shared up to 30 to 20% discount coupon codes in the link in the description, where I have shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.36511 to 1.36669. Even if there is a big gap opening, then we can see a momentum till this level as well. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.36352 gets breached and a 4-hour or a 1-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level. Even this level gets breached on a 4-hour candle, then you can go for a short till this level as well. Currently, if we see a big gap up or gap down opening, then you can follow through those opening. Like if there is a gap up opening, then you can go for a long. Once this level gets breached and a 4-hour candle also closes, then you can go for a long. And if there is a big gap down opening, if 4-hour candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level as well. Remember that overall my expectation is a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.